that Jubilee Party adopts the following symbol and slogan. 1, the dove as a symbol of Jubilee Party. 2, the dove symbol together with the slogan, Jubilee mbele pamoja. Wanaounga mkono semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, wanaokubali wamepata. Number 2, that Jubilee Party adopts the draft constitution as proposed and approved by the National Executive Committee. Wanaunga mkono semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, hamna. Number 3, the Jubilee Party endorses all cooperation agreements already approved by the National Executive Committee and authorizes the National Executive Committee to continue engaging with other political parties whose ideologies and objectives align with those of Jubilee Party. Wanaokubali semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, hamna. Number 4, the Jubilee Party resolves to support the Azimio 1 Kenya candidate to contest for the position of the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya during the forthcoming elections. Wanaokubali semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, hamna. Number 5, that Jubilee resolves to enter into a pre-election coalition with other political parties under the Azimio 1 Kenya banner whose ideologies and objectives align with those of Jubilee. Wanaokubali semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, hamna. Number 6, that the following officials proposed and approved by the National Executive Committee be elected as the national officials of Jubilee Party for a term of 5 years. Party leader, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Number 2, Deputy Party Leader, Honorable Jimmy Angwenyi. Deputy Party Leader, Operations, Mr. Kinoti Gatobu. Deputy Party Leader, Outreach, Coast, Honorable Naomi Shaban. Deputy Party Leader, Programs, Honorable Peter Mositet. National Chairperson, Mr. Nelson Zuya. Deputy National Chairperson, Honorable David Morathe. Secretary General, Honorable Jeremiah Keoni. Deputy Secretary General, Honorable Joshua Kutuni. Parliamentary Secretary, Honorable Adan Kainan Welie. National Treasurer, Kagwe Geshohi. Deputy National Treasurer, Honorable Ruwaida Mohammed. National Organizing Secretary, Senator Abubakar Haji. Deputy National Organizing Secretary, Reverend Mutava Musimi. National Director of Elections, Honorable Kanini Kega. National Deputy Director of Elections, Honorable Rachel Nyamai. Women's League National Chairperson, Honorable Fatuma Gedi. Youth League National Chairperson, Mulembe Mundalo. Persons with Disabilities League National Chairperson, Ms. Wanja Maina. Council of Elders National Chairperson, Honorable Jenga Mongai. Business Council National Chairperson, Joel Kibe. Wanaounga mkono mapendekezo ya viongozi hao wa chama, semeni ndio. Wanaopinga, hamna. That Jubilee Party resolves to terminate, this is number 7, that Jubilee Party resolves to terminate all forms of cooperation and or coalition with political parties that promote policies and or ideologies that do not align with those of Jubilee Party. Wanaunga mkono semeni ndio. Wanaokataa, hamna. Number 8, that all members of Jubilee Party that have openly promoted the policies and or ideologies of other political parties be deemed to have ceased to be members of Jubilee Party and be removed from the register of members of Jubilee Party. Wanaounga semeni ndio. Wanaokataa hamna.